Good morning, all. So now we start.
Good morning, sir.
So now the session will about the question input portal. As one more classes is there, audio recording your voice methods and nuance. So what I will do, I think all of you are aware of this fact how to record. It is not a too much things, and here not any. Previously, we supposed to give a short training to you all about Audacity or Prapt or any audio recording software and how to convert and how to cut. But I think every one of you knows about this how to record. You can do one thing. If you don't have any recording device, you can use your phone to record. One audio recording options is there inside the phone. You can record that also, and you can use any software for converting that audio to MP3. As I have discussed in the last session about the audio file should be in MP3 format. So what you need to do, you need to record only for the listening, not for the others. You need to record only for listening, and especially in listening, you need to record the word for select the word. You need to record the sentence for the select the sentence. You need to record whole complete sentence for this task, and you need to record the passage for this task and short conversation for this task. So totally, if I say you need to record 48 words and 24 sentence and 24 complete the sentence, and you need to record the passage number is 12 passages you need to record and 12 short conversation. So before going for the recording of the session, what you need to do, you need to write down the dialogues. Like you need to write down the words, you need to write down the sentence, you need to write down the complete the sentence, and you need to write or select the passage. Okay. And before recording the final session, just go for one or two trial version. What we mean by the trial version? Just for example, if you are recording a sentence, at first times if you record the sentence, and maybe in mid between if you are just mumbling or these types of sounds should not become in between the sentence or in between the short conversation. So what you need to do, if you have recorded the things, one thing what you can do, you can re-record the whole things. That is one thing. Another thing is that you can use any software to cut that sound. Like for example, if I'm speaking something and in mid between my phone call cam. So what you need to suppose when you are going for the recording, just search a place where there is no background noise. Maybe you can select a room or a time. Basically, you have to just see the time. Just for example, if you are in a home, just I'm giving one example. If you are at home and avoid daytime, okay, like when you are just going for the recording, someone came and some background noise is coming. So you just select evening time or night time, like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When others, family members just sleep, you can record that time. So there will be no, and one thing, when you are going for recording, just try to switch off your fan. Okay, it's good recording suggestion. So switch off your uh, uh, if you are recording by phone, do one thing, just put your phone on flight mode so that there is no call coming in between when you are recording. Otherwise what happen, you are just going for half of the recording and one phone call came, and then you have to record whole sentence or whole passage. Sentence is easy for re-recording, but for short conversation and passage, it will take time. Another thing is that when you are recording anything, okay, So that time what happen, if you are frequent to use the computer, if you know the Audacity or Prague, what you can do, you can uh, cut the sound, that part of sound, like you are saying once, you are recording one short conversation and in one sentence some mistake is there. What you can do, you can just record only that sentence and paste that sentence in mid between the file. If you are techno friendly, you can do the thing. Otherwise what you need to do, you need to record whole the sentence. I will just tell you a quick review on one tool that is called Audacity. Okay. uh, and it is not supposed to, in one session I will just you will be the master of the Audacity. That is not possible. Okay, if you know previously, it is just for reminder for you. And if you didn't know any software like Prath or Audacity or anything, so it is tough for you to work on that. So better you need to record whole the sentence. It is based on your convenience. Okay, so I'm just, this is the software called Audacity, and another software, another software is called Prath. You can use any of the software. If you are new, for you it is easy to use Audacity. Okay, if you have a linguistics background and if you have worked for any data collection or type of task, you know both of the software, you can use based on your convenience. I'm just giving one short example of this Audacity. Okay, here what you need to do, you, if you have any audio converter, you can click here and record. Okay, if any recording device is connected with you, otherwise you can record from the phone and do the editing task here. What you need to do, you need to do one open, you can open the file, any audio file, just for example this, and you can open. Okay, that file is not mp3, I think. So here you need mp3 file. Let me search in the LSRW. Now, this is the file. Like for example, you are listening this audio file. For listening, you can play here and you can listen whole the sentence. Other thing what you can do, you can just select the sentence here and you can listen. If you want, like if you feel this word is not recorded properly, what you can do, you can delete this part of sound. Okay, what you can delete this part of sound, and you, if you want any other place Savari is used, so you can copy this Savari, and if you want here also Savari word should be there, so what you can just copy here and paste here. So the Savari sound is no need to record every time Savari word, so you can replace here. Okay, Savari. So these things is basically what is required to you. Okay, just few things, like you can, one things you can do, like you can record whole the words list in once go. Okay, in once go you have recorded a whole, all of your words, and then like for example one word is there. रिक्शा वाला रिक्शा स्टार्ट करता है और चल देता है. Like for example, if this one is the sentence where we need to hear na, like if you say select the sentence you hear or complete the sentence you hear, if this sentence you can ask there, so what you need to do, you can record whole the sentence in one utterance and you just select this, and this only these parts of sentence you can save. Like for example here, what you need to do, click on export audio, and here what you need to do, here current selections, and here you can give, this is the sentence, complete sentence, rickshaw wala, rickshaw wala, and you can save this. Okay, click on export, that this sentence will save there. So you have these options, you can select, you can record whole at once and then cut the audios file. If you are frequent user, if you know this software. Other thing, if you don't know about this software, so you have to record every file once, like one word once, one word once. So it is based on you, how frequent you means how you can do. It is based on you. Just for example, if I want to record only sentence, I can record whole sentence in one entrance, then I will cut all audio. Okay. Otherwise, I have to record one word and save, one word and save, one word and save. So these things you can do. It is based on you. So this is just for a small, what you say, uh,
सवारी
just for example, if you are here, same savari.
मुझे बीएचयू में एक संगोष्ठी में भाग लेना है.
ठीक है. For example, if this is the sentence, for that completion of the sentence or sentence, select the sentence you hear. You can just select that sentence and click on file, click on export audio, give the file name. If you want to put in a specific folder, to browse and give the, what you say, target location of that folder. Here you have to select every time. The format should be in MP3. Here different options is there, but you should select every time MP3 and click on export. So this is the things, and that file will be saved at with the name on which you want to save this. So this is the basic things. So I will just cut short this topic and just move to the next topic, that is question inputting screen. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask quickly, or we can move to the our next topic. So I'm just moving to the next topic. So here, what you need to do, as you know, we have now totally 20 scheduled languages participant. Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So okay, thank you. So we have totally now 20 scheduled languages peoples are here with us. So I will just give you, this is the website of NTS. Everyone knows this website. Okay. This is the website of NTS. Under this, what you need, first you need to open the website of NTS. Okay. Then click on, then this forward slash, and put your language. Like for example, if you are Sanskrit, okay, so you need to write Sanskrit LSRW and click on enter. Okay, if anyone is from Hindi, so what they need to do, put here Hindi LSRW and click. Is it clear? So just I am using,
No, sir, repeat.
I'm repeating the things. You need to open the website of NTS. Okay, this is the website of NTS, www.ciil-ntsindia.net. This is the home page of NTS. Then put one slash, forward slash, and here what you need to put, just for example, if you are from Sanskrit, so you just write Sanskrit LSRW. If you are from Hindi LSR, your language is Hindi, so what you need to do, you just need Hindi LSRW. If you are from Bengali, so what you need to do, you can write down these things. Bengali LSRW. This is the first step. So when you are just click on that, you will reach there. Next, there is two options, login and sign up. At first, when you are just first time interacting with this, so what you need to do, if you click on login, so you just see here login for Bengali languages. Okay, same login for Kannada languages, login for which language you have given here, that language should be there, and make sure you should log in from the language only you have applied for. Okay, or your list is for which language, you should select that language only. Okay, then there is one options to log in. So for login, what is asking, your email ID and your password. So you don't have your email ID and password, it means your user is not created. What you need to do, you need to click on sign up. Okay, when you will click on the sign up, so this form will become, before filling the details, make sure key 15 days online workshop on preparation of proficiency test paper in items in Bengali. In which language? Like in
Sir,
Hindi? Yes.
sir,
Tell me.
here it does not show the sign up option, only login.
Sir, wait a minute. When I will finish now, then you will just try. In mid between, don't try. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
For which language you are trying? Tell me.
Urdu, sir.
Urdu. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
When I
सर
will finish,
हिंदी में भी लॉगिन ही आ रहा है.
don't try. Wait a minute. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just explaining. Then
जी जी.
you will try. I will give the time to try. Don't worry about
Okay.
it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just
Okay,
listen the
okay.
step, and if you want to write down the step, please write down the steps. Okay. So click on, if you are not able to see, if you are opening from mobiles, so your screen size should be this. So you will not able to see the things. Okay. So you have to click on this line. Here sign up option is there. Okay. Directly you just go for the sign up, and before sign up you just see key your language. You have login through your language only. You are going to sign up for your language only. Just for example, now I will do for the language Sanskrit my registration. Okay. And you see, if once time you have registered, then you are not able to register twice. Okay. So here what you need to select, like your name. Here you can, this is the registration form. Here directly you can go with sign up, and here you can select title, sorry, name and your name. Just I'm putting my name here. Okay. So you need to write your name, then your email ID. Okay. And then your mobile number. Okay. After that, what you need to do, write your mobile number, and here you can select your gender. Then click on register. So anyway, you have remember your mobile number and password. So you should know your email ID will be your username. At the time of login, your email ID will be the username. Make sure there is no space after your email ID. And there is no before space of your email ID. And your mobile number is also, there is no space before and after. Then click on register. When you register, one message will come, registration successfully. So please click on login. So what you need to do, click on the login. Here again you need to provide your email ID, here your mobile number. Okay, then click on login. So after that, when you just go for the login, this screen will come. Okay, here the first thing you need, first option will be there. You can see this one is the media screen. Okay, so here what is the first option? Select domain. Okay, so what is the domain? Here we have defined different types of domain. Okay, so for time being, we will make questions only from the general domain, not any, what you say, specified domain that like agriculture, banking, business, current affairs, educational, legal, media, medical, scientific, sports, etc. So now all questions which you have created, that will belongs to general. Okay, so what you need to, what you need to do, you need to do here general. You need to select the general. Next is media type. Here inside media types, you can see different dialog, different types of things come. The first one is audio. So just we will go for this. Here you can see. So
Sir, it's not shows to video, sir. It's
what is it? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
So here one option is audio. Audio is for all listening tasks. When you will just go for the listening, so you need to select audio file. Video, no need to select. Passage, when you will select the passage, I will tell you one by one. Passage, when you will just go for any, like here, poem, reading. Inside reading, poem, a story, comprehension, passage, and summarize the following paragraph in 50 words. For these 1, 2, 3, 4, these, when you are just creating a questions for these 4 tasks, that time you need to select the passage. Okay. And audio, when you will select the audio, when you will just doing these 5 tasks, select the word, select all listening time, you need to select audio. For video, no need to select. Passage, when you will select the passage, when you will just write the question about summarize the following paragraph in 50 words, or poem or a story or comprehension passages. Okay. When you will select speaking, you need to select speaking when you will create the questions on all these speaking skills. Okay. Then you need to select speaking. And as I told you early, when you are just going create a question on speaking, and you need to select speak as. So you can copy this speak as, okay, and paste this. Okay. So next time when you are going all 48 questions, no need to input again media file. Okay. So same when you will select for reading, when you just go for reading, especially reading, spelling correction, sentence correction, then you need to select reading. Other time you need to select passage. When you are going for poem, no need to select reading. What you need to select? Passage. Same with other options. I will tell you. Other option is writing. When you will just write, select the writing, when you will just go for the questions, arrange the following sentence in correct order, sentence transformation. Okay. And one option is left down, that is called image. When you will select image, like where you see 2 places we have given image here. One is describe the picture or describe the picture inside writing, describe the picture inside speaking. That time you need to select image. Okay. So when you are selecting audio, so here you have to upload that audio file. Okay. Just for example, if you are uploading a file, just take this one, this word I can. So here only you can copy this name, or inside title, as I told you, the title should be like this, W chal. Okay, means W underscore chal. Chal, sorry, not chal, it is chal. Okay, so you can submit media. When you will just go for submit media, that audio file is submitted. Okay, so audio file is submitted. Next options will coming, that is the question screen. Last one was media screen. So when you submit a media, by default you will come on here question input screen. Okay, here you need to ask a questions. So here same, you what you need to do, you just go for the, please mute your mic. It is requested, please mute your mic. So here what you need to do, from domain you need to select general. From title, here you see we have 2 media file before I have inserted. One is speak as, means speak the sentence, and W chat. Which media file you have inputted last, that will come on the top. Okay, so I will write a question from W chal. Okay, so here after selecting the title, you need to select that MP3, select media. Same you have to follow when you have upload a questions from image. What you need to select from media, you need to select that image. Okay. When you are just going for the passage, so that time if you need to select from here, that passage will come. Okay, and based on this you have to create your questions here. Second thing is level of proficiency. As I have told, the level of proficiency is here. Totally 6 type of proficiency is level is given. So A1 is primary, A2 is upper primary. So all of your questions should come under these 2 categories only, not other 4. So every time you need to select either primary or upper primary. Okay, just for example, if I think this questions belongs to primary level, I will select primary. Here next thing is select item format. So as I know this questions belongs to which category, as I have told, this is select the word. So what is the item format? It is multiple choice. So what I will select? I will select from here multiple choice. Okay, the second option is multiple choice. If this question is from long questions, so we can select long questions. Okay, as this is multiple choice questions, so we will select multiple choice questions. Next is select questions type. Here, what do you mean by questions type? You can see, as we say, we have sub components are there. Okay, so for which these questions we are making for which category? So we are making a question, select the word you hear. So you need to select this. For which you are creating questions, you should select that. The next is questions instructions. Here you need to write the instructions, and instructions should be in your language. Okay, in your language. Just for example, if this question is Hindi, so I will write down the instructions in Hindi. If this question is Sanskrit, so I have to write the instructions in Sanskrit. Okay, so here, although this is Sanskrit portal, but I am inputting question. So here what you need to write? You need to write instruction is Sanskrit. Okay, so for time being, one minute. Hmm. So what you need to do, write instructions in your language. Okay, for example, if this question is Hindi, so I will write instructions in Hindi. Okay. Okay. So here, when we are going
Yes, sir.
for, it should be in Sanskrit, but I'm just typing in Hindi only. But if you are working, making a question in Sanskrit, you should type in Sanskrit only. Okay. So here, in the time of listening the questions, this one is the question stem. Here you need to give the questions. Okay, this is just for demo, and this is the word is chal. The option should be chal, chal, jal, or it is pal. Okay, make sure before the options there is no number 1, number 2, number 3. There isn't any ABC, nothing is there. And which one is the correct, just copy that and paste inside the answer key. And here marks allotted, marks is 1, so you should select 1, and time is 1, you can select 1 and submit the questions item. When you submit the questions item, one message will come, details has been saved successfully, click on OK. So one question is saved. If you want to add another questions, and if, for example, for that questions another media file is required, you just here go to here and click on add media file. But suppose you are making a questions based on a passage. Just for example, this one is the passage, and I'm making a questions on this. Okay. So copy this passage and paste the passage here. Okay, and this passage is like, for example, this passage I will ask for reading, just for example. Okay, so this passage is reading comprehension passage. So the media file name should be rcp underscore. Okay, so what I will put here, rcp, sorry, we need to change the language because the media file should be in English. So it should be rcp underscore, and this story is about yeah. Okay, you can write this and submit media file. Okay, when you submit media file, then you need to select, go to general. Here you need to select rcp chiria. So last time we have select one media file that belongs to audio file. So that time I select from here. When you choose rcp chiria, what you say, in media file nothing is coming. So what you need to do, because this is a passage, so that passage comes to here. So you need to select this. When you select this, you can see the passage came to here, and at once utterance you have to input one question. For example, this passage, at the time of passage or a story or comprehension, the whole passage belongs to one category, not the single questions. So just for example, if this passage belongs to primary, the all 4 questions belongs to primary level only. Okay, same here, select item format. Here what you need to do, you need to select multiple choice. Here what you need to do, here it is a comprehension passage, so we will select comprehension passage. If you want, yeah, this is comprehension passage. Here the instructions, and instructions what will be the, here सुनिए नहीं, हमने reading में डाला है, तो instructions should be like reading only. Comprehension passage, अनुच्छेद के आधार पर निम्न प्रश्न का, इस तरीके से आप इसको, you should select this and just paste here. What is beneficial, if you type everything in Word, so at the time of inputting it will be easy for you, just go and copy and paste the things. Okay, so it is better you can write all the questions in Word, then just do copy paste, that will be easy for you. Okay, then the question is that चिड़िया ने अपना घोंसला कहाँ बनाया था. So what you say, you need to just select this, copy this, and here you can paste. You can see before the questions I didn't give any number, questions number. Same things you have to follow. Don't give any numbers of questions here. Before the options also, no need to give any. And at the time of copying, just be sure there is no before and after space. So before submitting, you can show if there is any space, you can remove that space. Okay, same घर में, here you can put घर में, same you can just go नल के पास. So if you have already written everything in option, correct answer is paper. Okay, so you need to select paper. Here same marks 1, time 1, and you need to submit. Okay, when you submit, it's okay, and the same questions will be from this passage only. So again, no need to upload, go to media and upload the passage. Here what you need to do, just select. Here you can select NCP Chiria, RCP Chiria, and same. Sorry. Here same you can open this passage, and here you can see the passage. Okay, again you can create the next questions. Likewise, you can add as many numbers of questions do you want.
Sir, can you show this part once again?
1 minute. Please give me 1 minute. Sorry, there is some. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, so where we are. So what we need to do. Okay. So likewise, how many questions do you want to input from one passage or from one audio file? You can add. So as I say, from one story there should be four questions. You can select the audio file, select the passage, select the media files, and you can upload the questions. Okay, like for example, if you have uploaded a questions and after that you get to know is that question is correct or how many questions I have inputted yet, like these things if you want to know, and if you want to edit the questions items, there is supposed to be a situation where you have inputted a questions and you feel, oh, there is some mistake which I have inputted yesterday. So for that, what you need to do, you just go to your name at the top of, you can see, hi Dr. Amit Kumar Jha. So same way your name will become, so hi your name. So what you need to do, you just go to view questions item. So click here, view questions item, and how many questions you have inputted till now, all questions will come here. Okay, and here with this you can see key subcomponent, like on which category how many questions you have inputted yet, everything is coming. If you want to only view that questions item, so here option, view options is there, you can just go and view. And if you want to listen that audio, even you can listen that audio. Okay, same if you want to edit, if you think there is some error here, is sub is wrong, what you need to do, just go on edit items, and here you can edit the things. Okay, if you want to change that audio file, if you think, oh, these questions belong to other category, I have uploaded another audio. Okay, so you can click here and change the audio files. Okay, and if you feel no, like here sub should not be there, here shall should be there, so you can just go and replace the word and update questions item. Click on update questions item. When you click on update questions item, that questions item will be updated successfully. So this is the things. And even if you want to just again add new questions item, just click on back and come here. Suppose sometime you will get some error like server error, runtime error. At that situation, what you need to do, you need to do just go sign out and again log in. Okay, sometime what happened, due to some reason some server error is coming, so you need to just go, don't panic, just log out and again log in, and again you can input the questions. So it's better first you can create a questions in Word file, then copy paste, it will be easy for you. Like for example, if you are going a place where there is no internet connections, so you can utilize that place by writing the questions in Word file, and when you will get the internet connection. Just for example, you are working in an office and at home there is no internet connection. So what you can do, in home you can write the questions in Word file, and when you are returning to your office or college, from there item. Please don't unmute your mic, it will disturb all the participant. Okay, so this is the things. You can add a questions item by this way. You can add media files and add questions item. You can switch the screen in between, on which screen. If you need to add media title, you can add media title. If you need to add questions, you can add questions. You can view the questions, and after everything finished, you just click here and just go for the sign out. So this is the things. One more things, when you are just writing a long questions, that time the options should be blank. You need to write only questions and answer queue. When you are just writing a multiple choice questions, any category of multiple choice questions, then you need to write here options. That is the things. I think I have covered all the topic. If you have any doubt, you may ask. Thank you. Anyone has any doubt?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Am I audible?
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes. One by
Hello.
hey, do one thing. You can just raise your hand I will call one by one. That will be good.
Yes, sir. Hello.
हाँ, LV sir बोलिए, please.
Okay, sir. Here a problem is there here. In Hindi and Sanskrit में